Okay, we got Cookie with Christa. Today we're making egg muffins. I put sun-dried tomatoes and like pork sausage in them, and that's it. Really easy, straightforward recipe. I like these as an easy thing to grab for breakfast, as a snack, even before dinner if I'm cooking something I'm hungry. These are the things I go to, is egg muffins. They're full of protein, nutrients. They help keep your blood sugar stable. They help with muscle repair for that protein building. So I'm a big fan of eating your protein, not having whey protein or protein bars. I don't think those are actually satisfying or the healthiest. They're pretty much just candy bars and milkshakes. So actual meat is what I endorse. Okay, we gotta preheat the oven at 350. Oh yes, are you there? Okay, cool. Let that preheat, and then we gotta cook some pork on the stovetop in a pan before we add it to the eggs, because we like our meat. And the eggs, all the eggs. Awesome. All the ingredients. Let's put it over here. So I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil for the pan, and then this calls for 12 eggs because we're making muffins, and I actually also use a little bit of egg whites as well. Okay, so we'll let that heat up. Sweet, and then I got to get the pork. So this is for the pork first. We just got ground pork, and all you have to do is put this in here and let it sizzle. All right, now we gotta get this on high. Yeah, this is gonna help speed up the process a little bit here. All right, okay, and then now this bowl will mix the eggs for the egg muffins. Sweet. And then check on this real fast. Okay, that's fine. I might mix that one up a little bit more. Now we gotta mix up the eggs. Whisk them together. It's kind of a small bowl. I wish I had a bigger bowl for this one. Just whisk them together. Doesn't get into it at all. Okay, cool. Put that there. Let's do a little check. Oh my God, it looks so good. So they all should actually look like these, but because these are such big eggs, you just had a lot of eggs. This, the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, so we're gonna put them in all of them, and then we'll add the beef. Instead of pieces, it's like actual bits, chunks. Nothing wrong with that. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good. I'm so excited. So we'll definitely have extra meat that we just use. We can make another batch. Or just save for, you know, another day. Yeah. Cool. And we'll set a timer for 20 minutes. And we wait. Oh yeah, they're cooking. It's been 20 minutes. I think they look pretty good. I think they're ready. So I'm gonna take them out. Awesome. Because you don't want them too hot. All right. Yes, egg muffins. So let them cool, and then you can just put them in a container or wrap them up in foil or whatever you want to do, and they're good to go. Oh my gosh, they're so big. Some of them are pretty big. That's gonna be so good.
Thank you for watching Cooking with Christa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any recipes you would like to see for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye.